Hey, this is Marcus. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add the conversion rate to your default report in GA4. Because something that surprised me when I open GA4 and I go to acquisition, user acquisition, or even traffic acquisition, for instance, if I go to user acquisition, you look in the metrics, you will see a lot of metrics. You'll see users, engaged session, event count, conversion, total revenue. But what if you're interested in having the conversion rate? How do you get that? I mean, you have two options. You can either go in the explore section and you can create your own custom report. But what's easier to do is customize this report and change those metrics that you want to in order to add the conversion rate. So let's do this. Click on customize report, and then you see that when you click on the metrics, you will have all the metrics you see in your table. So let's say I'm not interested in the event count and I'm not interested in the revenue either. The only thing I want is the user conversion rate. So if I type conversion rate, you can choose between the session conversion rate, which is you count the conversion rate is it's all the sessions, all the conversion divided by the sessions, or the user conversion rate, which is what I want, is among all the users, how many of them have converted. So you simply need to click apply, and then you will see that now the user conversion rate is here, and you can save it. You can save it and can save it as a new report if you want it. And you can give it a name or something we can also do, but sometimes you can save it to the current report to change this one, but then it will also change the report name. You will see. Now this is done. It's loading tonight. GA4 is very slow. And now it's ready. So if I click back, it's here. And now you can see that I have the conversion rate in my report. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.